point in Margaret River, and I don't think we're going to see any surfers because it's really choppy today. Granny's pool, and on a beautiful summer day I would love to go and take a little dip and be a granny for a minute. Today is the 14th of July, so happy Bastille Day to all my French people around the world. We don't have much French food in the van, but I do have my favorite cheese. This one, if you don't know it, try it out. This is the Camembert double cream from Thomas Ducks. You can find at Woolies. It's delicious and creamy. Enjoy. I know I will.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, I wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow, wow. This could be magical.
We just left Alexander Bridge Campground, which is about half hour away from Margaret River, and that unfortunately ends our west coast struggles. Actual coast.
West Coast, yes. As we're starting to go back towards the east now, so which we don't really want to do because it feels like we're slowly going back to reality, and we don't want the trip to end. Not just yet, we don't even think about it, but you know, we have to keep moving around the country.
And there's still lots to see, so
yeah, still heaps to see. We don't know what yet, we'll just find out as we go along, as always, and we'll show you what we find, as always.
Peace.
I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow, wow. This could be magical.
Today we're staying at a beautiful property in a bush camp setting. It's so nice. So nice. And there's even some little duck friends all the way back there. I'll see if I can film them for you. The ducks make the cutest little sounds, but obviously we can't hear anything with this crazy dog barking at everything when we leave the van. Here's what it looks like around here a little bit. It's very quiet and it feels very wintry. Last night was our coldest night of the trip, and I think tonight's gonna be pretty cold too. It's meant to be around 0 or very close to it, so we're gonna snuggle up pretty early. Maybe have a fire pit first, and then snuggle up in the van. Maybe watch some movies or just read a book and chill out. Guess we're having a fire pit first?